Hello, welcome to the channel Trying to Scratch Ahead. My name's Rory. This is the second video here, playing Illinois Lottery. Let's see here, I won, if you didn't see yesterday's video, I won $10 yesterday, but we were down, so took that $10 today and I went and got two winner chicken dinners, ticket number 23 and 24. But I also picked up two more of the $2 50,000 celebration on the 50 years of Illinois Lottery series. And then I also picked up a cash eruption. Ticket number 19. So let's go ahead and get this going here. Let's start on ticket 122. Let's see here. Nothing in the bonus area. Our numbers are 20 and 1, 26, 19, 18, 8, 28, 14, 17, 4, 13, 24. No winner. Ticket number 123. No win in the bonus area. Winning numbers are 11 and 20. 23, 28, 9, 26, 21, one off. 19, one off again. 8, 3, 16, 1. No winner, no winner. Now we got the cash eruption here. Scratch all play areas, reveal 3 like symbols within the game, win prize shown for that game. Reveal 2 like symbols with a 5 times or 5x symbol within a game, win 5 times the prize shown for that game, and each game is played separately. Find a dollar bill in any of the power spots, and you win $25. Prizes start at $10 on this ticket, and I have ticket number 19. No win, no win, no win, no win. So let's go ahead and get this first row here. Drink, drink. We got 2 chances to win here. No win. No win. Let's go ahead and do this again. Car, kite. Let's see here. A dice and a fish. No win, no win, no win. Now we're on to winner chicken dinner. Oh, let's see here. Ticket number 23 and number 24. Set this over here. And get 2 eggs, win double, chicken, you win 5 times, a trophy, you win all 15 prizes. There's also a bonus game, buttermilk biscuit bonus on the back. If you find a stick of butter, you win the prize amount shown for that. Let's go ahead and scratch off Clucky's numbers here. We have 7, 14, 21, 35. 24, 37, 32, 26, 13, 28, 19, 16, 27, 30, 31, 18, 22, 36, and 1. Let's go ahead and flip it on over and see if we get a butter stick. Hay, corn, sheep, a dog, tractor, and a horse. Oh, we're losing up a storm here. Let's go ahead and get this last ticket going. Ticket number 24. Let's go ahead and start on the back. We got a tractor, cat, hay, sheep, pig, and a dog. No win on the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and scratch off Clucky's numbers here. We have 25, 26, 30, and 37. 28, 32, 5, 24, 1 off, 12, 13, 31, 1 off again, 17, 37, we got a winner, got a winner. Let's keep going here and see if we find any helpers. 22, 16, 27, 1 off, 7, 1, and 8. So, got one winner here, one winner. Ticket number 37. Or on ticket number 24, it's matching number 37. So let's see here. Small zeros for $5. We did not do very good on this one, but we still made something, just not in the profit zone. Till next time, thanks. Give the video a like if you like it. More to come.